UPS is an uninterruptible power supply. Both AC and DC loads in industry need constant power. And so uninterruptible power supply provides constant power to those loads. There is AC UPS and there is DC UPS. AC UPS provides AC uninterrupted power to loads, and DC UPS provides DC uninterrupted power to the load. AC UPS consists of a rectifier and an inverter. The rectifier converts power from AC to DC, which is then converted back to AC to make a very clean and high-spec power for the load. That same rectifier also charges a battery to make sure if the AC power goes, the power from the DC, from the battery, is converted by the inverter to the load, and the load gets its uninterrupted AC power. In the case of the DC, it's much simpler. The AC is converted to DC and fed to the load. So the load just gets DC power. And there is a battery across the load, which then if the power goes, if the AC power goes, it will provide clean battery power to the load. Commonly, there is three types of batteries that are used for UPSs. There is nickel-cadmium battery, which has got electrolyte, and it's quite expensive and quite toxic, but it lasts a long time. It can last up to 20-25 years. Then there is the lead-acid battery, and there's various types of lead-acid battery. There is the flooded lead-acid battery, and there is a sealed lead-acid battery. And there is also lithium batteries nowadays. There is more lithium batteries being used in uninterruptible power supplies. There's two types of AC UPSs available in the market. There is a commercial type UPS, which is really used for very clean environment, like a small business or an office. And then there is industrial AC UPS, which is designed for critical applications in industry, for mining, for example, for utilities, and for defense, and for oil and gas and transport. These are made differently, and they use better components. They are designed to go at much higher temperature and humidity, and they're designed to last much longer. There are a lot of advantages of an industrial UPS. In terms of electronics and power electronics, they use more rugged components. In terms of enclosure, the enclosure is much more rugged, and it is made to comply with the environment that it's going to go in. It's got much higher IP. It's got more advanced cooling. It prevents dust getting into the enclosure. So generally, they're designed to work much longer and work at much more demanding environment.